Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into the city of Kingston and we are on Mandela Highway, and there's a sign that says welcome to St. Andrew. So it's so funny, the sign that says welcome to St. Andrew is all the way up here, but the sign that says welcome to St. Catherine is down by the Portmore turnoff. These signs are not at the correct spots. Anyway, on the right is the Fesco gas station. That's the busiest gas station in Jamaica. On the left is the ferry area. We pass the ferry police station. You have a few factories over there. There is also a school, a group of schools. But on the left now, we can't access it from this side of the road. We would have had to turn off by the ferry police station. But actually, we can. No, we'll see. But on the left is the Ferry Industrial Park, or the 876 complex, and that is an industrial park which has a lot of warehouses and manufacturing companies over there, and it also has a call center, and I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up on the left, but that's where it is. Now if you're going in the opposite direction, there's a bridge that will take you over there. And if you're coming from this end, you can access it by going to the ferry police station. There's a turn off there. But okay, there you can see the sign, no left turn. So you can't access it from this side of the road or from up here. Now, when this road was originally built, they had a stoplight here. Can you imagine? A stoplight on a highway just for persons to access over there. But it didn't make sense. It wasn't feasible. And the NWA changed it and took out the stoplight. Alright, so at this intersection now you turn right, you go onto Spanish Town Road, but we're staying left and going on to Washington Boulevard. And when the government talks about redesigning and re-engineering these Washington Boulevard and Spanish Town Road, this is one of the areas they're talking about. On the left they say it's an eyesore. When you come into the city of Kingston, this is what you're greeted with, and they're trying to make some changes to it. They definitely announced they were going to redesign and re-engineer Washington Boulevard and Spanish Town Road, but no details have come out yet. But Washington Boulevard is definitely a very busy road, and it should be redesigned and re-engineered. It should actually look like the highway we just came off of, with the concrete barricade, and look more like a highway. But they haven't announced what form that redesign and re-engineer will take. On the right, we just passed the Dehaney Park turnoff. At the stoplight we just passed, if you turn left, you go into Dehaney Park. Turn right, you go into Corville Gardens. And we are on Washington Boulevard now. So on the left is the Dehaney Park area. On the right is Washington Gardens. On the right now, that's the turn you use to go into Washington Gardens, and that road is Weymouth Drive. On the left now is Patrick Gardens. bridge is actually to be widened. It's supposed to be 3 lanes, and the project has been awarded, the funds allocated, so it's just a matter of time before they widen it. So on the left now is the Boulevard Supercenter. Also, if we turn left, we're going to Pembroke Hall. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.